Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer your AutoCAD license to a new computer using the easy method. This is a great way to move your digital permission key on your setup so you can safely shut down the old machine and start working on the new one. Step 1. Open your account details screen. The first step is to open your design software on your machine. Look at the main workspace window and find the Personal User Portal link. Open your computer screen and inside the AutoCAD, click on your profile picture in the top right and select Account Details from the drop-down menu. Wait a brief second for your computer to launch an outside internet window and load your personal information profile. Because you cannot shift license paths from the basic workspace canvas, you have to open this deep account area so the system can verify your ownership credentials. Without this step, you would just be looking at your regular blueprint tools instead of your private profile links. Step 2. Go to the Security Settings page. Next, you need to navigate away from your basic user facts and open up the dedicated safety area where your login codes are managed. Look at the main navigation column on your screen. Once opened in a browser, click on Security from the left side menu. Let the page update completely to reveal your private lock and connection options. Because your main identity codes are tucked away inside your deepest configuration menu to keep them safe, by entering this specific column area, you can skip past your billing forms and jump straight to your device link fields. It ensures you have the right security options displayed on your screen. Step 3. Generate your special connection code. Now, you need to scroll down to the confirmation zone and click the Action button to make the system create a brand new safety code string. Move down the page and scroll down until you see Backup Code under the Sign In Confirmation section. Click Generate to get your code. Highlight the fresh line of numbers that appears on your screen and copy it down. Because this special text code acts like the digital passport for your software profile. By asking the platform to build this code, you create a safe bridge that lets another computer access your subscription. It is the key step to getting the right output so you can bypass standard block screens down the line. The final step is to store your fresh code in a safe digital spot or create another copy from the menu if you need to attach a different machine to your subscription. Once your number is ready, then you can save that to a cloud or simply generate a new one if needed to connect to your other device to complete the process. Drop the text file into your internet drive, turn on your brand new computer, and paste that code into the activation prompt to lock it in. Because your new machine needs this exact numerical key to prove it has permission to run your drawing files. Once you finish saving and entering the code, your license shifts over cleanly and your setup is done. Now your program is fully active on your new machine and ready for work. And that's it. To transfer your AutoCAD license to a new computer, you must first click on your profile picture inside AutoCAD and select Account Details. Then you look at your browser window and click Security from the left menu. Next, you scroll down to the Sign In Confirmation section and click Generate to get your backup code. Finally, you save that to a cloud or generate a new one to connect to your other device to complete the process. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.